Hey guys, it's Jason with the Houston team at Jeff Cook Real Estate. Each week we're going to be doing a new walkthrough of a different floor plan, different community. So go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe. That way each week you're going to get alerted when we put up a new video or a new floor plan. And if you see something that you might like, go ahead and hit us in the comments or give us a call, 843-925-7600. This floor plan that we're going to check out today is called the Maple floor plan, built by Kolter in Cresswind in the Ponds. This is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, all on one floor. And when you get up to the second floor, you're going to have a loft space and another bathroom, which is pretty awesome up there. It's kind of like a man cave. Come on in, check it out. Hey guys, thanks for checking out our video. Each week we're going to be doing a new one, so if you want to see a different floor plan or a different neighborhood, just leave it in the comments or give us a call, 843-925-7600. Thanks for checking out our video. I'll see you on the next one.